In this tutorial, I will tell you how you can convert your image into cartoon. So open your browser and search styler.ai. Now log in your account from here. Then click on New Project from here. You can also select your canvas. Here, upload your image. As you can see, our image is uploading. Now click Image to Image from here. Then select your style. I select it for now. You can also enable the Face Match button from here and click Stylerize button. As you can see, it has changed our image into 4 different variations. So from here, select your style and click on this download button. After that, you can also change the style from here like that. I am selecting this style and again click on this Stylerize button. As you can see, it has changed our image and illustration style. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.